Today I'm going to be applying finish to this 4-inch solid walnut cookie, which is a horizontal slice of the tree. And the finish I'm going to be using is a wax oil combination finish called Odie's oil. I went ahead and sanded my top up to 800 grit, which is going to give me a medium level sheen using this wax oil finish. My sides are sanded to 400 grit. From what I read, if you want your sides to match the end grain, you would have to go ahead and sand the end grain to twice you would the rest of the piece. So since I want my end grain to be 800, I went ahead and sanded my sides to 400 by hand. I'm going to be using this 6-inch finishing pad with a hook and loop attachment on the back. Just attaching that to my sander, working it in nice and slowly, nice and evenly on the slow setting. The heat also and friction from the sander is going to help warm up that wax oil combination and work it into the end grain. The sides, since I can't get evenly with the sander because of the shape, I'm going to be doing by hand, working in a circular motion, Mr. Miyagi style. Now after about 10 to 20 minutes, I'm going to come back, add another layer to both the top and the sides, wait another 45 minutes before coming back and using either a cotton or wool rag to buff off my excess wax. I'm going to be using just a cotton t-shirt that I cut up into pieces. Okay, so I've had the table sit now for 3 days to allow the Odie's oil to cure. It's important to let it cure before letting anything rest on the table or using the table. Also, you don't want to risk getting any liquid spilled onto the table before the full cure time, which is 2 weeks for most woods, 3 weeks for walnut as per the Odie's oil website. After sanding to 800 grit and using that wax oil finish, it feels super smooth, kind of like a polished granite countertop. It's beautiful, actually smells really good too. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, comments, suggestions, or tips for me, please write them down below. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, also subscribe, and stay tuned. I've got more videos coming up showing every step in the process from start to finish. Originally taking an extremely uneven slab of wood, we're talking 4.5 inches thick on one side, 7.5 on the other, flattening that down using a router and a router sled, sanding my epoxy pour and the whole process, then a lot more sanding, and then eventually the next step in this process, which is to attach my nice steel legs using some threaded inserts.